Welcome to Keps Beauty Supply. My name is Blanche and I am the owner of Keps Beauty. Today I will present you my shop. I will talk a little bit about my hair extension that I am selling here, and also the services that you can receive in this shop. Okay, so in my shop I have two types of hair. I have synthetic hair that is all over here. So here on synthetic hair you can have the hair for box braids and also the hair for crochet braids. And I will do a short video about crochet braid because I know a lot of people don't know what is crochet braid. So here I have over here all extension for crochet braid. Now my second type of extension start here. For human hair I have three types of human hair in my shop. I have high quality, medium quality and lower quality. So I will talk about my high quality first. All over here are my high quality human hair. So on that I have Vietnamese and Indian human hair. All this hair over here is my medium quality. Now my lower quality, it is was one here. Okay, so they are also 100% human hair, but they are not cuticle aligned at all. So this hair will tangle. So on human hair I have wet extension, I have tips extension, I have eye tips, micro ring and nano ring extension. Yeah, so now let's jump into the see how nice it is. I love it. So I have synthetic wigs and human hair wigs. All over here are my 100% human hair wigs and the quality is really high. Let's see this one. See how natural and soft the hair is. Really nice. So I also have the wig in blonde. See how nice it is. Really nice. So that is my human hair. Over there on top it is my synthetic wigs. Also really nice. It feels like human hair. Like this one, you see. This one is a synthetic one. It also have the front lace, like you can see, and also the hair is really nice. This one is a kinky, it's a yaki texture, but it looks really nice. You can also glue the hair. So now before we go to my service place, I want to show you a little bit some hair care products that I use for my clients. So here over I have some products for tips, some oil to maintain and care about the hair, some skin oil, and all other leave-in conditioner, shampoo and relaxer. So here over I have product for coloring and dyeing the hair, and also some hair treatment product. Okay, so here it is my service place. For now I have the nail section. and it is managed by a nail technician. And here over the other place it is me. Over here it is me, it is the salon, and I am the person in charge of this area. Okay, so for now I am focused on hair extension, and soon I will have another lady, a professional hairdresser, that will go through the coloring, dyeing the hair, cutting the hair, and doing a little bit, trying to complement my work.